We're headed to the Abyss slide.
Alright, so we are back in the room. We are going to go and get something to eat. There is a glow-in-the-dark puppet show that Ariel wants to see. And we need to get Ariel some new goggles, a little bit of shopping, a little bit of eating, a little bit of play, and then we're gonna probably come back and then get dressed because tonight's formal night and we're going to go to dinner. So every day on this ship you get the cruise compass, and it'll tell you all the events for the day. It gives you the weather, all the like trending things, helpful tips. It gives you the times for dining and all of the other activities. And so this is what Ariel has picked. Kids, so she wanted to do kids rock climbing, which we didn't do yet. She did the perfect storm water slides. We did the ultimate abyss. Let's see. Oh, we didn't do the volcanoes.
When was that?
That was at 12:15. So there was family science volcanoes at 12:15. We missed that. And then balloon twisting, we decided we weren't going to do the balloon twisting. And 4:30 is Up, Up, and Away, a glow-in-the-dark puppet show. And that's it for today. Hello.
I ran up the stairs forever.
Watch the mercury, see it rising high. We're like batteries, burning power now.
So we got Ariel a new snorkel, some bigger goggles, because she keeps breaking the little kid ones we get from Target. And the guy took a lighter and he burnt the inside of the goggles, which I have never seen before. And he said he's burning the inner silicone layer. Who knew? Did you guys know that you're supposed to burn the inside of the goggles? Please let me know. Now we're going for pizza.
Putting backs down with my sword style. Every single nerve, it's like I wear 'em on my sleeve. I'm getting all I want, you're my alibi. Like a shooting star, I blow you out of the sky. See the flames climb higher and higher, spreading like a virus to the corners of your mind. Into the corners of your mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, and children of all ages, welcome to the Adventure Ocean Theater. Our aliens and shooting stars invite you now to sit back and hold on as Royal Caribbean Entertainment proudly presents Up and Away! Then we have to get going.
Where to now, Max?
We have been back. We'll see you just
We just got done watching the little kids theater. It was so cute. But they had squirting water and there was bubbles and everything glowed in the dark. It was cute. All right. We are all dressed and we're ready to go to dinner, and tonight is formal night. So this is what I'm wearing. Ariel. I have the Caesar salad and Ariel is starting dinner off with fruit. Ariel got the spaghetti. And I got vegetable patties. I don't know. everyone is in line now. We got to dinner about 5:45 and there was no one. And now there's like a billion people.
Like a fever, fever, there's no sleep, it's like a fever, fever, growing stronger, fever, fever, I can tell that you and I both got it running through our veins just like a fever, fever, there's no sleep, it's like a fever.
Alright, Ariel has decided to join the fleet of people running. Have we gotten to the door yet? We're lost. Tomorrow, Roatan. It's hot. Sunrise not till 7:30. Sunset 7:45. Cool. Where's our room? This way.
So let me let you do that thing you do. Me, I'm over you. Doobie doobie doo.
Look at you, got a towel animal. Yay!
We've been waiting for one of these guys. I think it's a dog.
Aw, makes you think about Dash.
I know.
Oh, and all of our papers for the day. And our tickets for our adventure. And laundry in a laundry bag. Alright, we are done with dinner. We're back in the room. We are just going to mainly relax and take showers and get clean and ready for tomorrow. But we just wanted to say goodnight from us and our towel animal.
You want to say goodnight?
Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's videos. If you cruise, what do you do on the cruise ship on sea days? We mainly just kind of hang out, but do you do anything different? I know a lot of people go to the casino. I don't gamble, fun fact about me, so that's why I never really show the casino much, but they do have a casino on the ship. It's fairly large also. Good night. Good night from Ariel.
Good night. Oh my god, there's spaghetti on my glasses.
The line has gotten longer.
A lot.
For dinner. Oh my god, there's people everywhere waiting to eat. I'm glad we went early. Holy moly.
Woof.
Woof. Roof.
Woof. Woof.
Woof.
Woof.
Why can't it be roof?
Roof.
Roof. Roof. Roof.
Roof. Roof.
Okay, Ariel, we are having a debate. Ariel says it's woof. Woof, woof, woof. And I say it's roof, roof, roof.
Almost there.
Well, it's the middle of the night and we were hungry. So this happened.
All right, back to business.
Isn't this like perfect late night food? So this is a vegetarian pizza. This is a grilled vegetable sandwich, cheese pizza, pineapple tart, and red velvet cake.
Got your flaming lips and got my bony hips, striking like a tiger. We are fearless. Getting all